Paul. It feels weird doing it on this side. This is a left-hand drive car. Normally I'm sitting over there. We're about to do quite an expensive drag race. We're going to drag race a car called a Lamborghini Sian, which is like a 1 of 63, against the Lamborghini Countach. It was like a controversial rerun of the historic Countach that existed ages and ages ago. Albors, run me through that, and then I'll run you through this.
Well, I mean, they're pretty much the same car, actually. So this is one of 112. This is a Countach indeed. 6.5 litre V12 from the SVJ, 599 kilowatts and 720 newton meters. You know, the funny thing is, both these cars will do 0 to 100 in 2.8 seconds. So I actually think this is going to be super close.
Yes, well, you know, this is basically the internals of this went into that, and then they kind of then changed a bit to make the Revuelto. So yeah, it's kind of like a bit of an interesting package. Now this also has quite an interesting setup. It's a 48 volt super capacitor, and effectively it teams a little electric motor to help propel this even faster and further. So it will be interesting to see how that goes, because this is a ballistic engine as it is, and it's made into a 7-speed automatic manual, and the gear shifts in these are typically like neck-snappingly fast. So I'll be keen to see how this goes. I'm going to give a massive shout out to Caltex, who are helping us put this on. This is an expensive event. Without their support, none of this would be possible. And also our mate Lawrence. They're his cars. He's got lots of other cars like this, but these are his. So we really appreciate his support, loaning us these cars and trusting us down this runway. This is how this is going to work. We've got a quarter mile set up in front of us. We're going to do the run from a standing start. Then we're going to come back and do a rolling race. And then I'm just going to be quiet so you can hear this go across the quarter mile. So all you need to do is listen to the exhaust and see the numbers. And I think these are going to be very closely matched. Megan, you feel free to count us in when you're ready. All right, here we go.
Launching on go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Come on, come on. Oh my God.
Come on! Oh, he's winning!
Oh my God.
Oh, he's winning!
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God, what a ridiculous race. That is literally like $10 million of cars going down the road. That is genuinely scary, actually. Wow.
I've actually lost for words. I don't know what happened there, but that was something else. The launch and the gear shifts. Like, I think there's probably cars that are quicker than this, like on numbers, but that experience is something else.
Man, what an insane thing to do. This is like $10 million worth of cars going down this runway.
It's insane that it's literally just the same thing wearing a different coloured paint job, basically, and just astronomical prices. But wow, that was something else. Should we do one more run just to be 100% sure?
Yes, indeed.
All right, Megan, count us in. Here we go.
Launching on go. 3, 2, 1.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yes. Come on.
Oh, basically a dead heat on the start. Look at this. Look at this.
Wow. That was, I don't actually know who won. That was perfect.
Oh my God. That was so close. I don't think we have ever had a drag race that close. Who won?
I think what's obvious is that both these cars are the same.
Yeah. I love that it's taken us $10 million worth of cars and a runway and a lot of logistics to prove what we could have proven on a piece of paper.
But have you ever seen a piece of paper look so good?
All right, I think we need to go to Sean over here just to triple check. Sean, who is the daddy?
I'm going to call that a dead heat.
We literally left at the exact same time. Like there was nothing in it.
Coming down, you were ahead, and then right at the very last second, the Countach caught up. And as best I can tell from this, without going in frame by frame, it's dead heat.
Sean, how much is Elbows paying you?
I was pretty convinced that I had actually won, to be honest. So I'm surprised that was a dead heat. I thought I stuck my tongue out and everything.
Well, that was awesome. All right, let's go and do a roll race now. See if we get the same result. G'day, I'm Paul. We are filming our next drag race series where we take some of the fastest cars on the road and pit them up against each other to see which is quickest. The cars we're running today are powered by premium 98 Countachs with Techron. Countach with Techron has been scientifically proven to help clean and protect engines. A clean engine helps maximize power and acceleration, providing better fuel economy, reliable performance, and delivering a smoother drive. Head to caltex.com/au for more information, and I'll see you on the finish line. Okay, so now we're going to do a rolling race. We're going to go to 50 k's an hour. Elbows, first or second?
I don't actually know. Hey, I think first, but it shifts so rapidly that I'll have to be in manual, and I'm going to try automatic first time.
Automatic? But it'll kick back.
Well, I'm hoping that it'll stay in second, and then I think that should be okay. I don't know. I'm just going to give it a go.
All right, well, I'll manually select second, and we'll see what happens. I presume it'll be a dead heat. But anyway, let's go. Here we go. Yeah, baby.
That was not a dead heat.
Oh.
That was not a dead heat at all.
So, I'm just theorizing here, but what happens when we take off typically in these is we use launch control and the car does all the work really. But when it comes to the roll race, it requires some talent and skill. And that talent and skill is unfortunately unmatched. And we get to these instances where you just run out of that talent and skill. Anyway, that was good.
Okay, let's try that one more time. I'll do full manual this time.
All right. All right, Elbows, it's your time to shine. So second gear, Corsa. We're identically matched here. Let's see how this goes. Make sure you're close to me as well. All right, here we go.
Come on! Come on!
Honestly.
Ah! Oh, that's so close.
These shifts are so violent. I wish you could be in here with me to feel that.
All right, these cars are basically the same. It's just coming down to reaction times.
They are honestly out of control. Alrighty, well, that settles that.
Okay, I think that car, given that it has a little bit more power, is actually a little bit more powerful. That's my excuse.
Now, your kids don't watch this, do they?
They do, so please be kind in the comments.
Maybe they can skip this one. Now, this is where I'm going to throw to the part where I'm just going to be quiet and you get to hear what these cars sound like accelerating down the quarter mile. That was genuinely something else. I don't think we'll ever get to experience anything like that again. We've done a stack of these drag races, so if you do want to check them out, make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And on top of that, big shout out again to Countach for helping us put this on. Come and visit the legends here at Wildcatchin. Lovely little town, 2.5 hours out of Perth. Make sure you drop by, get a pie. Some beautiful shops in town as well. Thank you once again for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please make sure you share it with your mates. But until next time, take it easy.